So in this video, I'm going to pull out the console or the radio bezel. I'm not sure what to call it. But before you get going, there's a couple things you'll have to do. You'll have to disconnect the battery. You'll need to put the key in, put the car on drive to get enough room. I'm replacing it with an aftermarket console. And these really are not like stock look. So if you're really like looking to keep the car original, this is not the way to go. I like to restore cars, but I don't care that they're 100% original. And this thing is vibrating when I go down the road. It's really irritating. I just completely destroyed the one I had, the original one. So I bought this one off eBay. There's some wear here I didn't notice in the pictures. And I'm just not happy with it, to say the least. And I'm enough where I just don't like the vibrating. When you drive, go over bumps, it just vibrates to death. The part number, and this is from Metra. The part number on this, and this works for 94 through 2000. It's 95-5703B, as in boy. The reason why these sell, believe it or not, this is not meant to be a retro pack. These are kits for people that want to put like a nav system in. So these are not for, their goal is not originality whatsoever. That's not their goal when they make these kits. I am not going to be putting a nav system in. I bought a double DIN radio. You will not be able to reuse the original 1U or 1DIM radio in this little compartment, which to me is not a big deal. Who really uses this anyways? And all it does is vibrate whatever you put in there too. Go ahead and remove the screws here. Now you just remove the bottom bezel. Connect the lighter. At this point, you can just pull it out. So the next thing you have to do is go ahead and open the bag up. And you got to move the AC vents over. So this is where things get a little interesting. There's no room for the adjusters. So when you pull the vents off, you're no longer going to have those flippers on the back that close the vent off. And as you can see, there would be other indents. So these are on this one here, you know, you can shut and close it. There is actually no room for these on the new ones. So the vents will not have that shut off piece on them. I already pulled the vents off another unit that I had. You just simply snap them in and you're good to go. Like that. What's cool about this particular unit is you don't have to, I'm not going to snap it together yet. So it comes with the mounting for the stereo. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stereo ready for this. And it comes with the stereo mounting brackets, which should hold a lot better than the factory unit. And to keep in mind, if you look at the new one, is that you have to cut these ears off, and you got to cut them back quite a ways. So these ears here, which are actually pretty solid, have to be completely cut off. So you might be worried, well, I'm sort of committed to this if I cut these off. The truth be told, if you cut these off, you could put the original bezel back on and you wouldn't be able to screw the lower bracket in. Stereo works. Alrighty. I'm not impressed with this setup. It doesn't match very well. It is what it is. But overall, I would only give it about a B and C of the rating, but it looks better than what the other one was, and I'm gonna go with it. Bye.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.